Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a demo of Nix Checker again, which is a tool that I'm very excited about. But let me turn on the music for a second. Alright, so my message to you today is that Nix Checker may be an excellent tool for you. You can download it from here. And now I'm going to show you a little application of it. So I've been just trying out a call. So I've been setting up Nix Checker according to its README. Check that out. So you see we have an invocation of one tool inside of Nix Checker, which is extract the article. We're piping in a France 24 article about an unfortunate event going on right now. And then we're using that we pipe it into the Simon W. LLM tool using the Mistral 7B construct, the instruct v0. So the problem here is that maybe the context window is too large since we're piping in so much of the article, but we'll see how that goes. The topic here is a little bit, of course, delicate, right? But we want to see, because LLM are always set to make up things, you should check the facts and so on. So just to highlight the fact that LLMs might also not be perfect, right? We're going to use a very delicate topic right now, and we'll see how it's going to do with that. So the prompt that you can see here, and you can, look up the France 24 article, which is being extracted right now. Actually, it has been extracted a while back. So again, we can at this point turn off our internet while we're asking the LLM for facts, perhaps, or for even interpretation. So we're asking it to summarize the article briefly from a historical point of view, then briefly, context windows, briefly, discuss who might have the moral high ground and why. So morals are normally, certainly it's nothing that's being discussed in news, and it's, but it is, the historical point of view is definitely interesting. Also consider that this LLM is not coming from China or something, right? So there could be other LLMs that are useful here, just to get, the two sides of the coin kind of view on an ongoing foreign policy, foreign affairs event. The article reports that Israel is striking Hezbollah targets in Lebanon after the group launched rockets at Israeli military production sites in Haifa. This latest exchange of cross-border fire comes as Israel forces raided Al Jazeera's offices in the West Bank, ordering the bureau to shut down. Additionally, Gaza's civil defense agency said an Israeli strike on a school-turned-shelter killed at least 22 people, including 13 children, while Israel claimed it targeted Hamas militants. So you can see it's having a hard time going on with the with my request here. So maybe we can speculate a little bit, right? So I think that would be the equivalent, perhaps, of turning up the temperature a little bit. So for anyone who's worked with LLMs before, they're trying to be, maybe close to a center if they haven't been tuned to be more, daring. And daring also means you're prone to making more errors, but daring is sometimes more informative. We'll see what happens. This is a live experiment, so I'm actually not positive that this will give us anything as far as more of an interpretation. But we'll see how it goes. So my CPUs are a little bit busy right now. Right, this is the article. Just To install, please follow the installation instructions. They're pretty easy. You have the GitHub link perhaps here. Okay. Check out the GitHub link and then check out the README. You should be able to install all of these. These are very nice Python dependencies here. So the article reports that Israel is trying small targets after the group launched rockets at Israeli military production sites in Haifa. So additionally, yeah, so the first part is quite similar, I guess. While Israel claimed to target Hamas militants, yes, it is difficult to turn them in. All right, are we getting something now? Well, however, some may argue that Israel has a right to defend itself. Okay. And Hamas, while others may condemn these actions as excessive use of force. Ultimately, well, this hasn't. it's basically the the news speak that we've been hearing. So, thanks for watching.